Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this session let us discuss about the next part of speech, that are the pronouns. Now what do you mean by pronouns? Pronouns are those group of words which are generally used as a substitute for the noun. And the way in which these pronouns are used depends upon two factors. Which noun is included in that particular sentence, that means which noun it is being substituted for, and what is the function of the noun in that particular sentence. Now you might be familiar with all the pronouns like I, she, he, her, him, they, and so on. Now have you heard about something known as antecedents? Now in a particular sentence, when a pronoun replaces a noun, the meaning of the pronoun entirely depends upon the noun which it replaces, and that particular noun is known as antecedent. Now for example, when I say Jacob has to often clean his room. So in this case, as you have easily identified, his is the pronoun. So what might be the antecedent? The noun, that is the Jacob. So Jacob is the antecedent in this particular sentence. Now let us look at some types of pronouns which you might encounter. The very first one is personal pronouns, which you might be familiar with, like her, him, she, he, and so on. Second one is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used as a substitute for the nouns in order to indicate a particular object or to point to a particular object. For example, this, that, those, these. Now this and that are singular, whereas those and these are plural. And this is usually used in order to indicate an object which is present much closer to you. And that is used to indicate an object which is much far away from you. So proximity matters in this case of pronouns. Third one is indefinite pronouns. What do you mean by indefinite pronouns? Indefinite pronouns are those pronouns which refers to an unspecified group of people or group of items. For example, when I say anybody, nobody, or maybe everywhere, when I say God is present everywhere, I am not specifying a particular place where he is present. So therefore that is an indefinite pronoun. And the last one is relative pronouns. Relative pronouns always try to establish a kind of relationship or provide with you a type of relationship which the people or the things might be holding. For example, when I say, okay, who is she? Or who is she to you? Or who is he to you? So in this case, I am trying to ask for a relationship which the two people hold with each other. These are the relative pronouns. So these are some of the general type of pronouns, and these were some of the things which you should always keep in your mind while or with regard to pronouns. I hope it was useful and informative.